So all the advice that people have been hearing and people have been giving for years and years and years, it's terrible. Marriage is about compromises. You have to compromise. If that were true, stop getting married. It's not worth it. Marriage involves sacrifice. Really? And you expect people to want to get married? It's terrible. And then, I hate to say this, but college teachers and chassan teachers and shatchanim with their advice that is just so unnatural. You're going out with this guy, try to be a little more extroverted. Make a few jokes. You want to trick him into marrying you? That is so wrong. On the contrary, just be yourself. Don't even dress up. Go as you are. Oh, he's not going to like me. So, who is he? He's a total stranger. Why are you trying to impress him? Because if he won't marry you, nobody will? What kind of desperation is that? Some advisors say that for their wedding night you should be wearing a certain kind of lingerie. It's like insanity. The way you are is not good. You have to dress up. You have to. This is so disturbing and so goyish.